Greetings, everyone. I'm Professor TJ Wilkins, and this is a tutorial on how to make an easy pocket pattern. You'll need pattern paper, clear ruler, magic tape, French curve, mechanical pencil, and paper cutting scissors. Use the magic tape to tape down the pattern paper. Then use the ruler to draw a 6-inch vertical line on the left side of the paper. At the bottom of the line, square over 1/2 inch. Measure up 2 inches from the bottom of the line and mark. From the 2-inch mark, square a 5.5 inch horizontal line. At the top of the line, square a 3-inch horizontal line. Connect the ends of the horizontal lines. From the top right corner, square down a 9 inches line. Use the French curve to draw a curved line connecting the end of the 1/2 inch horizontal line to the bottom of the 9-inch vertical line. Use the French curve to draw a curved line connecting the remaining bottom of the pocket. And this is the pocket. Use the ruler to draw in arrows that indicate the vertical grain line. Label the pattern with your name. Write down the name of the pattern. So this is the easy pocket pattern. The cut is 2 because we're gonna cut 2 pieces. So write cut 2. Use the clear ruler to measure out and add in 1/2 inch seam allowance all the way around the pattern. So to do this, place the 1/2 inch line onto the seam line of the pattern and then just draw in the 1/2 inch measurement. It's easier to use dashed lines when measuring seam allowance around a curve. Use a pair of paper cutting scissors to cut out the pattern. And that's all there is to it. This is the pocket opening. This is the top of the pocket. Here's the pocket bag, and my hand fits inside of the pocket. Yay! And we're done.